For new mega rail terminals in MMR on Mumbai Central Line planned, but there are challenges. The Indian Railways, one of the largest railway networks globally, is undergoing a transformative phase with the introduction of mega railway terminals across major metropolitan regions. The Mumbai Metropolitan Region, MMR, is central to this transformation, with the Central Railways initiating plans to construct 4 new mega rail terminals to address the escalating demand for train travel. However, as per recent news reports, this ambitious endeavor has encountered significant setbacks primarily due to the scarcity of land in Maharashtra's rapidly urbanizing areas and land acquisition challenges faced at these external suburban locations of Mumbai. This report aims to analyze the historical context of mega rail terminals with particular emphasis on Mumbai's Central Line, challenges faced to acquire land for these terminals, the National Rail Plan 2030, detailed technical aspects regarding these planned mega rail terminals, explore the benefits of multimodal connectivity for passengers, and suggest alternative solutions to address the land scarcity issue. Details for this video has been gathered from various news reports of April 25, 2024, April 24, 2024 and March 20, 2024. Hi friend. Welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. We have observed that 97% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our channel. If you haven't as yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so, after watching this video, since it would encourage us to do more. Watch this interesting video until the end so that you will not miss out on all the details. Historical context of mega rail terminals. Development of mega terminals in Mumbai. The Mumbai Suburban Railway, operated by Central Railways and Western Railways, is one of the busiest commuter rail systems globally, serving the entire Mumbai metropolitan region. The network consists of 4 lines, the Western Line, Central Line, Harbour Line, and Trans-Harbour Line. The need for additional terminal stations in Mumbai arises from the saturation of existing ones like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, csmt, Dadar, and Lokmanya Tilak Terminus. These terminals have been critical in operating around 300 long-distance trains connecting various parts of India, including South India, eastern regions, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, and Delhi. The existing terminals have been operating at maximum capacity, leading to increased waitlisted passengers and operational constraints. Central Railways, as part of its expansion and modernization plans, acknowledged the need for additional terminal stations to cater to the burgeoning demand for train travel. To alleviate operational constraints and accommodate the increasing demand, the Indian Railways identified 6 potential locations for construction of mega terminals in Mumbai: Panvel, Kalyan, Kalamboli, Dombivili, Thane, and Parel. Overview of the project. The Central Railways identified 6 potential locations for mega terminals: Panvel, Kalyan, Kalamboli, Dombivili, Thane, and Parel. These terminals are intended to operate approximately the currently operational 300 long-distance trains, connecting various parts of India, including South India, eastern regions, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, and Delhi. The project aims to increase capacity by 50% by introducing 20 pairs of services at each new mega terminus. However, the main roadblock in implementing this project lies in the requirement for approximately 7.5 acres of land to build a mega terminus. Detailed analysis and technical aspects. Land requirement and infrastructure. To construct a mega terminal, approximately 7.5 acres of land is required. This land must accommodate essential infrastructure, including platforms. A mega terminal typically requires 6 platforms to handle the incoming and outgoing trains efficiently. Maintenance facilities, workshops, repair yards, and facilities for routine maintenance are crucial for ensuring the smooth operation of the terminal. Stabling lines. Stabling lines are necessary for parking and maintaining trains when they are not in use. Challenges of greenfield projects. The mega terminals are greenfield projects, necessitating substantial vacant land. However, heavily built-up areas already exist in the identified locations, posing a significant challenge for land acquisition. Exploring alternatives beyond the initially proposed sites, such as Panvel, Ambarnath, or Titvala, is being considered. However, acquiring suitable land remains a formidable challenge. Economic impact and passenger convenience. The envisioned mega-terminals aim not only to bolster transportation capacity but also to enhance passenger convenience and promote economic growth in aspirational cities across the country. These terminals will offer modern amenities, parking facilities, and seamless connectivity to elevate the overall travel experience for passengers. National Rail Plan 2030 and Mega-Terminal Development. Objectives and planning parameters. The development of mega-terminals aligns with the National Rail Plan 2030, which aims for significant capacity and infrastructure development to meet the growth needs up to 2050. The plan emphasizes a holistic approach, considering 50-year population growth trends, the rate of urbanization, existing infrastructure, and the potential impact on urban development and urbanization. The Indian Railways aims to establish mega-railway terminals with multimodal connectivity in cities with a population exceeding 1 million. These terminals are crucial for accommodating more trains, reducing waitlisted passengers, and addressing operational constraints. Futuristic vision and urgent development. The Indian government's vision for the development of mega-terminals is part of a broader initiative to transform India into a developed nation. Emphasizing multimodal connectivity through greenfield projects, the government aims to enhance rail infrastructure to cater to the increasing demand for transport solutions in million-plus cities. Challenges faced in Mumbai Mega Terminal Project. Challenges in acquiring land. Acquiring land for mega railway terminals in the MMR presents several significant challenges. 1. Scarcity of available land. Rapid urbanization in Maharashtra has led to a scarcity of large, undeveloped plots suitable for constructing mega-terminals. Finding contiguous land parcels of sufficient size, approximately 7.5 acres, to accommodate the necessary infrastructure is a daunting task. 2. Heavily built-up areas. Shortlisted locations for these terminals, Panvel, Ambarnath, and Titvala, are already densely populated and heavily built up. Existing structures, residential areas, and commercial establishments occupy most of the available land, leaving little room for new terminal facilities. 3. Land acquisition challenges. Acquiring land involves legal complexities, negotiations with landowners, and sometimes resistance from local communities. The process can be time-consuming, bureaucratic, and subject to legal disputes. 4. Infrastructure requirements. Mega-terminals require substantial space to accommodate multiple lines, platforms, maintenance facilities, stabling lines, and passenger amenities. Ensuring proper connectivity to roads, highways, and other modes of transportation is essential. 5. Environmental considerations. Identifying suitable land while minimizing environmental impact is crucial. Balancing the need for transportation infrastructure with ecological preservation and sustainability is a delicate task. 6. Cost implications. Land acquisition costs can be substantial, especially in urban areas. The Indian Railways must allocate funds for land purchase, construction, and development. 7. Community and political factors. Public opinion, community interests, and political considerations play a role in land acquisition decisions. Balancing the needs of commuters, residents, and other stakeholders is challenging. 8. Urban planning and zoning regulations. Complying with local zoning laws, land use regulations, and urban planning guidelines is essential. Mega-terminals must align with the overall city development plan. Operational constraints and passenger demand. With the existing terminals reaching saturation, the demand for additional terminal stations has become pressing. The introduction of 20 pairs of services at each new mega-terminus is projected to enhance capacity by 50%, thereby reducing waitlisted passengers and operational constraints. However, the scarcity of suitable land impedes the realization of this vision. Suggestion of strategies to overcome challenges. To address the challenges in acquiring land for mega railway terminals, several strategies can be considered. 1. Exploring alternative locations. Officials are exploring options beyond the initial shortlisted locations to find suitable land for mega terminals. Identifying areas with more available land and fewer infrastructure constraints can facilitate the implementation of the project. 2. Innovative land use planning. Leveraging geospatial data and technology to identify optimal locations for infrastructure development. Prioritizing areas with minimal environmental impact and sufficient space for terminal facilities. 3. Public-private partnerships, PPPs. Collaborating with the private sector to leverage resources, expertise, and innovative solutions. Private developers may have access to underutilized land or suggest alternative approaches to land acquisition and development. 4. Vertical expansion and high-rise infrastructure. Encouraging developers to build upward rather than outward to maximize land use. High-rise buildings can accommodate various facilities, including transportation hubs, within limited land areas. 5. Underground infrastructure. Exploring underground stations, tunnels, and parking facilities to minimize surface land use. Underground infrastructure integrates seamlessly with existing urban areas and reduces the need for extensive land acquisition. 6. Mixed-use development. Combining infrastructure projects with commercial, residential, or recreational spaces. Transit-oriented development, TOD, can maximize land use efficiency and promote sustainable urban development. 7. Innovative financing models. Exploring value capture financing, where infrastructure projects benefit from increased land value. Capturing the economic gains resulting from improved connectivity to fund land acquisition and development. 8. Environmental sustainability. Prioritizing eco-friendly construction practices and minimizing the environmental impact of terminal development. Incorporating green infrastructure and sustainable design principles into terminal facilities. Benefits of multimodal connectivity. Multimodal connectivity offers passengers a seamless and efficient travel experience by integrating various modes of transportation. The benefits include: 1. Enhanced convenience. Passengers can switch between different modes of transportation without hassle. Single-ticket systems allow easy transfers, reducing waiting times and simplifying journeys. 2. Time savings. Multimodal networks provide faster routes by optimizing connections. Passengers can avoid traffic congestion and reach their destinations more quickly. 3. Cost efficiency. Integrated ticketing systems often offer discounts for combined travel. Passengers pay once for multiple legs of their journey, reducing overall travel costs. 4. Reduced environmental impact. Encouraging public transport use reduces individual car emissions. Multimodal systems promote eco-friendly options like electric buses and trains. 5. Accessibility. Diverse modes cater to different needs, benefiting passengers with disabilities and those with varying travel requirements. 6. Flexibility. Multimodal networks adapt to changing demand and urban growth, providing flexible transportation options for passengers. 7. Economic growth. Efficient transportation boosts economic activity and promotes business development. Improved connectivity attracts investment and contributes to urban economic growth. 8. Safety and security. Well-connected stations enhance safety through surveillance and emergency services. Passengers feel secure using reliable, interconnected systems. Conclusion: moving forward. The development of mega terminals in Mumbai and across India signifies a significant leap toward modernizing the country's railway infrastructure. The strategic development of these terminals will not only boost transportation capacity but also enhance passenger convenience and promote economic growth in aspirational cities across the country. Innovative solutions and collaborative efforts are essential to propel this project forward and achieve the desired objectives. Despite the challenges in acquiring land for mega railway terminals in the MMR, the Indian Railways remains committed to expanding terminal capacity to meet growing demand. By exploring alternative locations, leveraging innovative land use planning strategies, and promoting multimodal connectivity, the Indian Railways aims to create efficient, modern, and well-connected mega terminals that benefit passengers and promote economic growth in the region. It is imperative to address the land scarcity issue through collaborative efforts and innovative solutions. With proper planning, coordination, and implementation, the vision of a robust and sustainable transportation network in the Mumbai metropolitan region with new mega terminals will play a crucial role in shaping the future of transportation in India. Stay tuned for further developments on these projects. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.